الله دول يقولوا دقيقة تري مكراسة هذه conversation كده بدي سؤال اسمه دين تري دي مكرسة شو اشتغلوا دين تري واحد لو يجرون how are you I'm fine what's the difference between Somali and Somaliland what's the difference between أنا conversation قاعدين نبى لك قاعدين إنه وكير قاعدين يحبوا تري what's the difference between boy and girl you know what the difference أنا علي عبد الله ما حد يسمعك ما حد ولا يبنا
حقيقي شيء أنت هايو إيه ما حد كلمتي كلام يا يبي صياع أيوه
كل شيء قارب النعم ليالا مكتوب لك هذا أروديف أيوه
Richard, if you don't answer my question, sit your position.
Welcome back to Harvey Live, everybody. First of all, before we get started, I want to thank Hussein and his two friends for that funny 1-minute clip. They're representing the Nim Ali shop in New Hargeisa. And it was something else. You better find your position. Harvey Live. Yeah, we're out here at Miami College, one of the best schools where you can learn English. I want to thank all of the students that took part in this and the staff to put their effort into learning English. And everybody's doing such a great job. I'm happy to be able to take part. And Harvey Live, back at you again. Today's English topic is love.
You are in love. Or people can tell us the colors of love. Yes. You are love, right? So we see that the colors. Now we know you are in love. Yeah? Is that right?
Yes.
How you know is that? Is it like how?
See, and many men that will die the sign of love. Can you tell me when they are not to die of love?
Yeah, can you tell us a girl that dies for the sake of love? Have you died for the sake of hungry?
No, it's
because if he has
feeling love, when you are feeling love, you will be forgetting that what you eating, you forget what you are doing. Because
so can we say
to your mind.
Alright, so can if you are leaving your food or if you do not eat your food, it means you are sick, right? So can we say love exists? We can say love exists?
Yeah. No, that's not.
So all I can stop my food. My eating.
You know why? You like the girl who love you because you forget you always you
Let me ask you a question. Now you are in love. Can you tell us the signs that we know that you are in love?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you. If you are detectives of love sinners, you will make a weakness like a weakness because yeah, a weakness. No weakness. I'm gonna tell you a weakness, and you also you are make a love. You be happy. You are make love. You be now a maturity of the person or the value of that person to be into the happy of this beside with this.
So now when I'm working on the world, can I know that you are in love?
Yeah.
Can I know that you are in love?
No, if you know only what you personality, it's not outside the people's knowledge.
Alright, take it. What's your question?
My question says, can you tell me a number that helps me to know the day that love happens?
Repeat again.
Can you give me a number that helps me to know the day that love is happening? I want to give you an example. You know, when you are making exercise, I mean making gym, right? The first day when you go to the gym, listen to me. When you go to the gym, first day you make exercise. There's nothing, right? The next day, in the same way. So, can you give me a number that helps me to know that the day that life's happening?
I'm not tell you.
Can you tell us the first day that you are in love?
First day?
Yep.
Wow, first day.
Like now you make a courtship, you make a job spouses. So you started a relationship, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell us the first day that you feel you are in love?
That is the day, Sunday.